Hypocrisy is the contrivance of a false appearance of virtue or goodness, while concealing real character traits or inclinations, especially with respect to religious and moral beliefs. Hence, in a general sense, hypocrisy may involve dissimulation, pretense, or a sham. Hypocrisy is the practice of engaging in the same behavior or activity for which one criticizes another. In moral psychology, it is the failure to follow one's own expressed moral rules and principles. In short, it's the act of failing to practice what you preach. A hypocrite is someone that does not practice what they preach. Now that we have some background, let's take a look at a video that I found while roaming the internet.
Offline stores and events have countless untapped opportunities for improvement. Who's visiting? How long do they spend inside? Which products excite them? What if there was an easy way to capture, evaluate, and utilize big data?
What do you mean by big data exactly? Do you mean going through a whole bunch of surveillance footage? Kind of like a surveillance state, almost?
Introducing Cyclops. Powered by machine learning, Cyclops uses your cameras to analyze visitor data, giving you unparalleled real-time insights. Cyclops empowers you to measure data like footfall, age, and gender. Discover dwell and queue time hotspots with heat mapping.
Okay, I see. So you're going to use machine learning to go through massive amounts of surveillance data. Okay.
Learn how customers really feel with facial expression analysis. Compare KPIs before and after promotions, sales, etc. to calculate effectiveness, and much more. Cyclops is cloud-based and can be set up in minutes with full POS integration, giving you accurate big data to understand customers, increase traffic, and improve sales in a way never before possible for offline stores. Access and utilize the data you've been missing out on. Request a demo or free trial now.
In case you didn't know, currently, China is one of the largest, most totalitarian surveillance states on planet Earth. But after watching this ad, I noticed that this Cyclops company seems to be doing almost the exact same thing that the Chinese Communist Party is doing, just for the purpose of making more profit instead of advancing their political goals. Why is it okay for a corporation to participate in mass surveillance, but we criticize the Chinese government for doing the exact same thing? Doesn't that seem a little bit hypocritical? Just because we can dress up what we're actually doing with some fancy language and call it big data, we can ignore the fact that this data is actually just mass amounts of surveillance footage? Man, Orwell must be spinning in his grave.